Hey guys,
Hey lovely.
so I'm here
Regina Daniel
finally in front of a camera
about our family.
trying to explain my family's problem. Like, oh my god. Guys, walai, can't wear this week. Look, it's
Regina
5 a.m.
has
I haven't
finally
slept.
broken her silence.
Like, because I can't.
In a new video, the Nollywood star opened up about her family, something she has rarely done publicly. With a calm but emotional tone, Regina said she is tired of pretending that everything is fine. She said it's not easy being in the spotlight where every move is judged and every word is being twisted. She just wants peace, not drama. According to Regina, people have said so many things about her. People have said so many things about her marriage. And of course, people have said a lot about her mother. But nobody ever stops to ask how she truly feels. In her words, I want to talk about my family because people keep misunderstanding us. I have kept quiet for too long and silence doesn't mean guilt. So she went on to say that her mother has always been her backbone from beginning, a woman who stood by her through every storm. She asked people to stop insulting her mother because family should never be dragged into the public eye. Regina also spoke about her children, saying they are her biggest motivation to keep going. She said, "No matter what happens, I will fight for my children. I will fight for my peace. And of course, I'm going to fight for my happiness." She admitted that fame comes with a price many don't see. Behind the luxury, behind the smiles, and behind the glamorous photos, there is a young woman who faces real struggles. There is a young woman who faces real emotions. And there is this young woman who faces real pressure, and it's Regina. Regina also said that she is done hiding behind fake smiles just to please the world. She wants to live her truth. Regina wants to be happy. Regina is not perfect. In her closing words, she told her fans, "I know people talk, and I can't control that, but I can control how I protect my family. That's all that matters to me now." This video has left many fans emotional, with thousands showing support and love for her courage to even speak out. People are showing real support and love for her because at the end of the day, no matter how bright the spotlight shines, every woman still deserves peace. Every woman still deserves understanding, and every woman deserves respect. So what do you think about Regina finally opening up?